The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in today's video, we'll be discussing creditors and spendthrift trusts. So we'll answer the questions: what is a spendthrift trust? Where does it fit into estate planning? And can creditors access funds in a spendthrift trust? So, depending on the financial and familial needs of a client, there are a number of options available in the estate planning process. One such tool is a spendthrift trust. A spendthrift trust can be considered a type of living trust. There's the grantor, the person who opened the trust and who owns the assets listed in the trust. The beneficiary, that's the person who receives the assets based on the language of the trust. And the trustee, the person or entity who makes decisions regarding the trust based on the direction of the grantor. Ultimately, a spendthrift trust is a useful tool when the grantor wants to limit access of the assets to the beneficiary, avoid probate for the assets listed in the trust, and protect certain assets from creditors. So, where does the spendthrift trust fit into estate planning? As I mentioned earlier, a spendthrift trust is a great tool when the grantor wants to have his or her assets avoid probate, but does not want the beneficiary to receive those assets in one lump sum upon the death of the grantor. The trustee is given a variable degree of responsibility over the assets in the trust for how and when those assets will be given to the beneficiary. In some situations, the trustee may have complete control over the assets and will be the one deciding if the beneficiary receives any assets at all. In other cases, the trustee may just be an entity that is tasked with dispersing a set amount of funds to the beneficiary with a set frequency over a predetermined period of time. The trust can even be made so that the trustee has to determine the beneficiary's income needs and dispense only the amount needed for living expenses. Lastly, let's talk about the creditor's claim to spendthrift trusts. So the rights available to creditors vary from state to state, but as far as Illinois and Iowa are concerned, creditors have little right to the trust assets for the beneficiary of a spendthrift trust. As in most states, the grantor of a spendthrift trust cannot just simply name himself the trustee and beneficiary of a trust and expect his money to be protected from creditors. However, depending on the structure of the trust, money that is purely meant for the survival of a beneficiary may be safe within a spendthrift trust, even if the grantor is still alive. It is best to speak with a qualified professional regarding the nuances of different trust provisions. In most states, the assets of a spendthrift trust can be reached by creditors in the following situations. So, number one, federal tax liens. Number two, alimony and child support obligations. Number three, judgment creditors who have provided services to protect the beneficiary's interest in the trust and those who have a court order. And lastly, if the trust income is much greater than what is determined to cover the beneficiary's basic needs and living expenses, a creditor may be able to file a claim. As with any trust, it is important to discuss the specifics of your financial and familial needs with a qualified professional to determine which estate planning tool is the best fit. Spendthrift trusts can be a great tool when discretion is necessary for an individual's assets. If you're considering a spendthrift trust and have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our legal professionals at 630-324-6666 and check out our other articles at Learn About Law. Thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.